Nigerian genius.
Hello Nigeria, this is Ben Stowe Destiny from Team UNN.
My name is Satiru Jibril and I'm representing Federal University of Technology, Mina.
My name is Juan Erifani Vincent. I'm a student of Federal University of Turkey, so I represent Team FU.
My name is Ayinwole Yanlulua Moses. I am a representative for the team LAUTECH, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology.
So we had a whole lot of experience and activities and training at the 2-week program we had here at the Juniors Nigeria. And we produced a lot of beautiful things. So apart from training us on how to use these machines, we were giving projects that would help us to solidify this knowledge, this experience that we had.
So far, for the 4 days training, we are exposed to CNC machining.
And here to you is some of the projects, some of the classwork we did here at CIC Aba. So we went through a series of teaching from CNC milling. For the CNC milling, we came out with what we call the connecting rod. We designed the connecting rod using the SolidWorks. After designing it, then moved down to the CNC machine. So the CNC machine mill out this part, so it has this. And also we use the casting to produce the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. Our connecting rod will be connected to the crankshaft, the way reciprocating engines works. So this is what we came out with.
Another fabrication technique we are taught is CNC machining, which we did with this. So this is a connecting rod which we designed and fabricated using the CNC milling machine.
So some of the things I have here on my table are the works we've done so far. Like this, I have a connecting rod together with a crankshaft. This crankshaft was produced using the manufacturing process of casting, and this connecting rod was produced using the manufacturing process of machining, and specifically CNC machining.
Then we also had our CNC machining class. So after learning how to use some of the interesting softwares like Fusion 360 to be able to learn how to machine products using the 4-axis, 3-axis, the lathe CNC machine, we are finally given a project. And the project that we were given was to create a connecting rod. So we machined a connecting rod from a block of aluminum. And so this is our connecting rod. Yes, we designed this connecting rod ourselves. We modeled this connecting rod ourselves, and then we programmed the CNC machine to be able to produce this part. Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you that we produced this part ourselves. And so the experience, the training, they are really paying off.
Yeah, the challenges we face during our project, especially the connecting rod, beautiful things take time and it takes a lot of energy. So, the beveling, all this edge, we have to select the right tool, the right cutting tool. So it was a bit challenging because this is our first time approaching that kind of machine, but eventually it came out nice. So those are the major challenges concerning the project.
We learn from experiences here, we learn from our mentors here, and so no matter the challenges we faced when we were running through the process of learning, it was an amazing one for us because now we are experienced at it.
The Nigerian genius.